Yo ho ho and a bottle of rum. I really have nothing to say today. I'm just tired. I slept in so late this morning. I had such a bad headache yesterday, like right up in this business. And so I just slept in until like 6:20. And I have to be out of the house at 6:30, so oh my god. Today, first period I had a test, Algebra 2. Second period we went over the study guide for our midterm. Third period I worked on my final exam, which is a triptych in my photography class. Fourth period I was printing for my thing. I'll show you guys that later, maybe, if I have it. I have prints. They're all in my bag. Lunch, I made new friends today. On Wednesday, I randomly walked up to a kid named Christian who was sitting in my line because I needed him to put something in my bag for me because I couldn't reach, and I was like dropping things left and right in the lunch line. So I had him hold my stuff so I could put it away. And I didn't show up to school yesterday because I was home. And today I saw him and I asked for his number and he told me to come sit down, and I basically talked with them the whole day about how katanas, no matter how impractical they are pretty fucking badass. What else? Fifth period, we had to do our dictée and devoir. Well, I had to do my devoir and then turn it in. Then we read something about Excel and the Chardin and the catalogue that came in the courrier. French 3, yay! And then I would Cliff Lane to the bus stop. No, to the bus line, like to my bus. And then I called him an ugly face because he wouldn't hug me. And then he came back and hugged me. And here we are now. Oh, I talked to another kid named James on the bus. I wanted to figure out why he's going to the Pathway School. It's a school for delinquent children. People who do stuff wrong. Came to fuck shit up and fuck yo bitches. No, I came to fuck bitches and fuck shit up. It's hot out. I need a popsicle. Like, bad. I don't need one, but I really want one. Like, craving! Oh, no. Nope. There you go. Sorry about that. Jeez, I ranted on for 3 minutes about my day. Oh, my sister didn't come to school with me today. See? No sister. Oh, I see a butterfly! It's pretty! I'm weird. So, Texas! Stop it! I sent you a text message, don't reply to it for! Yes! Shit! Crap, it keeps putting X's. Ugh. Yeah. Screw it. Anyways, I'm almost home. Let's see if our tribe's here today. Cover your ears, it might get a little loud. Icon! Come here, boy! See if I can clap. I had to stick you in my mouth. Isn't that kinky? Oh, my therapist hasn't shown up for the past couple of days or weeks. He's supposed to show up every Friday, but I haven't seen him. And when I went down to guidance, they said that they haven't heard from him in like 3 or 4 weeks. So it's a bit discouraging. Oh, he's not here today! Probably because his bastard sister and brother didn't take care of him. Shit tits. Anyways, yay, and stuff like that. Have fun, live well, and don't be scared to love. Anywho, goodbye. Follow me on Tumblr at Melanie Ann Marie. Find me on Facebook at Cat Melanie Love or Mama Eat Your Mom. And get to KagomeCat1 and email KagomeCat1@gmail.com. And now, if you have MSN, you can add me using my Google Mail, Gmail, KagomeCat1@gmail.com, and I will talk to you. I promise. Alright, gotta go. Bye. Bye.